Hey, my name is Jimmy, and today we're going to be looking at some tech deals that I think are worth checking out if you want to revamp or improve your setup. Some of these are aesthetic improvements, and some of these are performance improvements. Alright, let's get started. Alright, we're going to start with the Lee 205 tempered glass case. I built in this case before, and it looks fantastic. They have one in black, it's the same price. They're both on sale for only $60. Definitely worth checking out. The Razer Gaming Mouse Bungee. This is really cool to add onto your desktop for only $14.99. It is black on black. Looks pretty cool. It's sleek, it's modern. It's rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, so pretty cool. Um, Overall looks good. It's sleek. It is a fine addition to your desk. It does tidy up the place and the cables a little bit. So I would say that that's pretty worth checking out. Moving on to a headphone holder. Now this is one of the hook ones. It does turn around and you can put your headset either way. There is integrated cord clip on it. I bought this. I do like it. I think it's worth $13. It does make your headset stand out if you have it on the top, and it is a good looking headset. So if you did buy one of the headsets from our previous video, then it's a good way to show it off. Another headset holder would be one of these RGB ones. Now this is definitely a budget one. It's not a Corsair or a Razer one. But for $30, that's pretty cheap. Does have ports on the side, a 2 USBs, and I believe that's a headphone jack. Now moving on to a fingerprint reader. So this would be pretty cool for your setup if you do have something like this, because you can put it on the side and then you can have your fingerprint to sign in. Now, if you have a simple code that's only like 4 digits, then it's probably useless, but access within 0.15 seconds is really fast. So I would say this is pretty cool to pick up if you are interested in something like this. Now, something that definitely makes your setup look a lot cleaner is a dual monitor stand or a monitor stand. This is a really good one. This is rated 4.3 out of 5 stars, or only $30. That's really cheap. Definitely a good way to clean up your look. Easiest and simplest way would be adding Rgb strip lights. Now you can add a lot because this is 32.8 feet of it. It does look good, makes your room pop, and it's pretty cool. A lot of options on the remote. Rated 4.9 out of 5 stars. That is very high rating. Definitely worth checking out. Now getting on to the more complicated things. This is power supply cable extension sleeve custom mods. Now these are really cool. I like them in white and black if you have a white and black look, but if you have a blue look, this looks really good. They are on sale on most colors, I believe. At least the white and the blue ones are on sale. So $30, it's pretty cool. Now, this is not so much an aesthetic improvement, but if you do live in an area that you do have power outages, a UPS is always something really good to have. So this is basically a battery backup for your computer or anything that you plug into it. Now this is a very budget oriented one. It's only $80. So if you do have one of those problems, this is a great solution. You don't risk frying your computer in a storm or something. This is pretty great. Some monitors. This is a AOC 1080p 144Hz FreeSync monitor. $145 for 144 Hz is really cheap. It isn't in stock, but it will be in stock, so look out for that. So if you are looking for a setup improvement, would be a chair. Now this is a really good offer, only $114, and it does have lumbar support and the head pillow. It does swivel, it does go 360 degrees, and it is adjustable back angle. So pretty good for a white and black build as well. Now, desk is a great improvement. This is from IKEA. Now, these are one of the ones that you can build. It was only $9 for the desktop, and then $4 a week or a leg. So, definitely cheap. No, this is something I have. I built the larger one, but I do very much like my desk. Now, I did previously state that the Ryzen 7 is a great deal. Now this is $270, and then you get $20 off the motherboard. So for example, if you did want to buy a $95 B550, it'd only be $75. You could also pick up SSDs, which are one of the fastest ways if you don't have an SSD to improve your performance dramatically. Now this is a 1TB SSD that's NVMe. This is definitely worth checking out if you don't have an SSD. You can also pick a $75 500GB SSD, but this is WD Black, so slightly better name with faster speeds. As a bonus, we have 32GB flash drive for $3.80. They also do have 16GB, $3.50, but $3.80 for 32GB is a much better deal in my opinion. Lastly, to wrap this video up, we do have something really important that people do overlook: cleaning your computer. We have the cordless air duster for your computer. This will clean it just like a normal air canister will, but this is reusable, so you don't have to keep spending money on it. I think this is good over time since you just keep charging it instead of buying new ones. $60 is steep, but I think it's worth it. And to wrap this video up is a cleaning gel. Now this isn't really on sale, but for $8 I think it's worth checking out. This is to clean your keyboard or clean things around the house. I use this myself. I think you should clean your keyboard at least once a month or once every 2 months, depending on how dirty it gets. This picks up all the crumbs and dust from your keyboard inside your keyboard, so I think it's worth checking out. That's going to do it for today. If you guys liked anything in this video, it'll be in the description, and if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. Alright, have a great day. Bye. And to wrap this video up is a cleaning gel. Now this isn't really on sale, but for $8 I think it's worth checking out. This is to clean your keyboard or clean things around the house. I use this myself. I think you should clean your keyboard at least once a month or once every 2 months, depending on how dirty it gets. This picks up all the crumbs and dust from your keyboard inside your keyboard, so I think it's worth checking out. That's going to do it for today. If you guys liked anything in this video, it'll be in the description, and if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. Alright, have a great day. Bye.